Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This video is going to address a common issue of dry and chapped lips, which we all face. Let's start our video. For this we need beeswax, shea butter, a grater, grease the scraper with coconut oil. This step is a must since the beeswax is little sticky and it will be difficult to get it off later on. I'd like to say that this remedy worked for me and for my family members. I face problem of dry lips and chapped lips whenever I travel or whenever there is a season change. This homemade recipe has always helped me. For this we are going to use double boiler method. Put 1 teaspoon of grated beeswax, 1 teaspoon of shea butter. Now let them melt. It might take 2 minutes for them to melt completely. For the color tint I am taking this lipstick which is almost over. This step is completely optional. Now mix all these 3 items together and let them melt. One thing that I would like to say is you need to scrub your lips at least 3 times in a week. Do it every alternate day. This will remove any dry or any buildup on your lips. And it will also help the skin of the lips to be soft. Now add half teaspoon of coconut oil. At this point of time you can also add 4 to 5 drops of any essential oil of your choice for some fragrance. Here I am adding 1 capsule of vitamin E oil. Now this is the consistency once everything has dissolved and mixed well. For storage you can take any kind of container. I am taking this empty lipstick bottle which I had. Fill it before the mixture gets hard and refrigerate it for overnight, not in the freezer but in normal fridge. This is how mine looks after being set. This is really creamy in consistency. You can use it as a base before your lipstick. It will really nourish your skin. Shea butter and beeswax both have antioxidants and anti-inflammatory properties. They also offer UV protection. On the other hand, coconut oil and vitamin E oil helps fight rough skin and hyperpigmentation, also wrinkles. So try it and let me know how it worked for you. This was my video. Please subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.